Our premium soft cushioned carpet floor mats are a must-have for all your cars. Lightweight yet durable, these FH Group liners blend perfectly with original mats or even the interior of your vehicle. These modestly designed car floor liners offer soft fiber carpeting to create a comfy finish and feature a carpeted heel pad on the driver's side with high ridges intricately woven to trap dirt and crumbs in their tracks. And the underside has a non-slip textured backing to ensure that the mats always stay in place. They are universal in size to fit most cars and are easy to maintain with the simple use of a vacuum cleaner. And best of all, this heavy-duty mat is waterproof, providing valuable protection and offering you peace of mind. Provide essential floor protection for your vehicle with our premium non-slip carpet floor mats. This full set comes complete with 2 front floor mats and 2 rear floor mats and are available in 3 standard shades that will blend perfectly with all your cars.